Hadirin kecing keren bat kibor ke sarkar jela ke North East Petroleum Mazdur Union kalarai ban Pynsangeh no ya kecing temu ya ki da ke basangeh pynpoi ya ke petrol bat diesel sya ke Meghalaya halor ke nongrem basha pendik bat sya thombor kinong nya akali kit umpnyang haki pulit hari bhoi. Kini kecing yalang kelalong hanong po Ribhoi District namar kinong mikmat ke North East Petroleum Mazdur Union kila kentaj ban wan shalong banyak syong yalang da ke bapin pau ya kecing septing. Ya ke sarkar jela la mikmat do Commissioner and Secretary Katanat Food and Civil Supply Praveen Bakshi bat kibilawan nishin benta kecing yalang ki kentup ya ki North East Petroleum Mazdur Union na Assam ki try jong ki petrol pump ke jela bat kiwei. Laban kedua hangni baka North East Petroleum Mazdur Union kelara ban Pynsangeh no ya kejing pynpoi petrol bat diesel jong ke IOCL BPCL bat HPCL Meghalaya na du ka arkunai tarik unai wieng arja arpulai halor kejing keno baki pulit kejela kilale to met bat thombor ya kinongnya akali kirum pnyang Ribhoi District na du ka arpsau tarik unai wieng halor kanong rim badon kejing ya khayi tu lakin no ru bagi nongnya abat nong bu jangki kali ki umpnyang kila syakem bat ketakti haki pulit dari kim ko ngu ni pla bagi khayi tu ya ka umpnyang namar kani ke union kala pente bagi nongnya akali ki umpnyang kila syakti menwan Meghalaya kam tam hari lum khasi.
People in our state do not go for panic buying. First of all, there is no shortage. Enough stock is there, so there is no need for any panic. Number two is that we are working to find a solution. Number three, over the last 2 days, more than what is the normal quota of POL has already reached our state, both in Garo Hills and Khasi Hills. So there is no ground, there is no reason for anybody to be in a state of panic. So we ask all the people of our state also to just wait. By the end of the day, we'll be able to solve the problem. And in the context of what has happened, there have been allegations of pilferage and all, because of which police action has followed. So we strongly feel that there should not be any kind of irregularity, because the oil tankers have to move smoothly, and if there is any pilferage, then it is not good. And having said that, from the side of the police, they have taken action and steps have been taken. So while they're taking action also, we have gently raised with them that they should try to make sure from their side that nobody is put to any kind of inconvenience, who are innocent or who may just be doing their duty. So that also they have said they will take care. We don't have anything as such to say about the police action which is going on, because it's an ongoing investigation. And since it is a crime branch case, they will try to find out what is going on. So our principal appeal to our friends from the union and also all the other stakeholders is that the strike call in itself gives ground for people to feel insecure, and it causes a grievance. People rush. There is a lot of panic buying of POL products, huge lines in front of the petrol pump, which puts the public to inconvenience. So we only raise this issue with them, that while there are points which we will be able to solve among ourselves, let there not be any inconvenience to the public. And therefore, we have given a call to them. We have asked them that the strike call should be lifted as soon as possible.
स्ट्राइक हम लोग अभी तक स्टार्ट नहीं किया, ये मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो रहा है. Yes, because this letter was sent to the supply department, but how it is leaked I don't know. So हम लोग अभी जा रहा है माइनर्स लेके हमारा हेडक्वार्टर में गुवाहाटी, उधर जाके सबसे बात करके पॉजिटिव मैसेज आप लोग का पास आने वाला है, हम बोल के जा रहे हैं. और पैनिक करने का जरूरत नहीं, आप लोग का माने माल खाली करने का अंडरग्राउंड में जगह नहीं है. इतना माल हम लोग लोड करा के रखा था, क्योंकि 2 दिन आगे हम चिट्ठी दिया था ऑल द डीलर्स. इधर डीलर्स से हम लोग पर्सनली फोन करके बोला था आप माल डबल स्टॉक कर लीजिए. इन द मीन टाइम हमारा बख्शी साहब का मैसेज हमको मिल गया, तो इनका मैसेज मिलना मतलब ये लेके 4 टाइम्स मीटिंग हुआ हम लोगों का. ये इशू नहीं है, वेराइटीज इशू लेके और इशू सक्सेस हुआ था, इसीलिए ये इशू नहीं है आज का. और ये ऑटोमेटिकली चलेगा. गैस भी अवेलेबल है. 16 LPG गैस ट्रक आर कमिंग विदिन 10 minutes to your Shillong.
Em jangan nengi, ini benar ke sini terhilang. Tinggal ipin baik mentah, kena kalian kamas Union kilo ong ba. Mentah ke sini hi berkhot kena poi goti, kin call ke meeting ba, kin call off no ia kena ke strike. Bahkan dum don show. Dia kompeni angkan poi hi syaki jaka jungi, kumjur ro ya ke gas. Tanggawi ke message ke bangin ai, syaki pat ba. Kalong. Ngilai ke jingkan tho ke social media ke bangim sutenat. Tang si bedon ke strike bedon kene katai ya kan tho away ke bom sutenat. Te kalong suka benong tang away shobha wat jingtip batikna bat sakran. Kalong bit bangin siya pata sebenang sa khandok klemetip yak jisha. Nomor ka jingle ran kawan yak ki hadian. Bat sa ka baar ndai man khuslai than ban long panic. Ya kan ni. Ong makan don ke strike. Ni don komno ban take care. Nomor yang ni ke sarkar, yang ni ke company, ke labo yang ni nomor ke petrol, diesel, yang serak kini ke ke essential commodities. Ke bangi haban pynpoi support ba kom pynpoi yu kha udai wata ujur kemudian. Te ke sarkar kan kala sim khia, ngi sim khia ba company ke sim khia ngin pynpoi. Laradon kam buat ke police escort ngi long menen. Ternyata kadang ngapil biang ipat ba kombolong menen petrol la jam lot ke sorok la jam lot baro e the pnyang la kombom yu su te shobha ko paj ba wat choi ga jing shisha nang ta nai long penik khan nomor kan ni ka kalong biet teng te